Hello and welcome to our online video training series for Positrak Pro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run an end of month and print statements. Now, in most cases, we can automate this for you, and that's the preferred way to do it. But I'm going to show you how to do it manually if that needs to be done. Let's go to end of day from the main menu. You can choose close the day and month over here on the left. Now, again, in most cases, we automate this for you to run at a specific time after hours or right at the end of the day around closing time. And we do have two different ways to run end of month. The preferred way is called one-step closeout. And when I click close a day and month, it'll ask me if I want to continue, and I can hit yes there. This is the preferred method. It archives everything a little better for reprinting statements and everything. There is a traditional way, we call it traditional closeout, if you want to actually step by step go through the process. And we can discuss those different options with you, but one step is definitely preferred, so I'll click yes to continue. And that'll take a minute or two. It's going to run the normal end of day process. And by the way, you do not have to run a separate end of day prior to running the end of day and month. It'll do it all together at one time. So this is going to run a backup, close the day, and print my reports. And along the way, I'm going to get some extra reporting that normally only comes at end of month. I'll get an aging report. I'll get a service charge report if I apply service charges to past due accounts. And I'll get a few extra sales analysis reports. When it is finished and my reports have printed, I can hit OK. This will prompt me for one other round of optional end of month reports. You can hit print to go through those. I'll just cancel in this case. At any point in time after the end of month has run, I can go back to end of day menu and I can print my statements. To do that, I'll go to number 2 at the top right, print or reprint statements. This will bring up everyone that has qualified for a statement. The billing date will be pre-filled by default. I have a place for a message if I want to put a note to my customers on the statement. I can select the number of copies I want. And then I have an option also to print a store copy for emailed statements if I want a store copy. I can hit print here, and it will begin sending the data to the printer. And as it does that, you'll see all these red X's begin to turn to green check marks. Hit print. It will give me a chance to make sure paper is loaded in the printer. I'll click yes to continue, and it'll start the process. When everything is finished printing, it'll tell me statements are complete. I click OK, and I'm back at the end of day menu. So that's all for this video. Be sure to watch the other videos in the playlist for more training. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and subscribe on YouTube for updates.